Hello everyone, if you are suffering from dizziness, vertigo or imbalance, stay with me until the end of this video because today I will tell you everything about Vertigenics. Does it really work? Let's find out. Like and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of health and wellness products. And if you want to guarantee your Vertigenics at a discount, the link is in the description. Vertigenics is a natural supplement developed to help improve balance, reduce dizziness and increase mental clarity. It contains ingredients such as zinc, alpha-lipoic acid, and berberine HCl, which act on the nervous system and blood circulation to provide more stability and well-being in everyday life. In addition, Vertigenics is produced with advanced technology and has undergone rigorous quality tests to ensure its effectiveness and safety. Its continued use can bring significant benefits to people who suffer from labyrinthitis, migraines, and even anxiety caused by body instability. But does it really deliver what it promises? Let's take a look. Many people who suffer from dizziness or vertigo have difficulty with even the simplest everyday tasks. Vertigenics acts directly on the vestibular system, helping to balance the body and reduce unpleasant symptoms such as frequent dizziness, lack of balance, feeling of a heavy head, difficulty concentrating, nausea, anxiety caused by the fear of falling. The ingredients present in Vertigenics have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that contribute to improving circulation in the brain, providing greater mental clarity and disposition. In addition, it helps to strengthen neural connections, improving communication between the brain and the body, which can result in greater control of movements. If you already want to try Vertigenics, click on the link in the description and take advantage of exclusive offers. Vertigenics is a 100% natural supplement with no contraindications and can be used by anyone who wants to improve their stability and well-being. However, if you have any specific health conditions or are taking ongoing medications, it is always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation. So, Vertigenics can really be a great ally for those who suffer from vertigo and imbalance. If you want to try it and take advantage of a special promotion, the link is in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive more content like this. See you next time.